Before installing any new software, it's a good idea to update your package list to make sure you're installing the latest version of the software available in the repositories. Next, you can install Node.js and npm with this commands. After the installation is complete, verify that Node.js and npm is installed correctly by checking its version. Now you have both Node.js and npm installed on your system. Now that you have Node.js and npm installed, it's time to create a new Next.js project. The easiest way to install Next.js is by using Create Next App, which is an official package provided by the Next.js team. Now that Create Next App is installed, you can create a new Next.js project. Here, My Next App is the name of your project folder. You can replace it with any name you prefer. Once the command finishes running, you'll have a new folder called My Next App with the basic structure of a Next.js application. After the project is created, go into your project folder and start the development server. The command will start the Next.js development server. By default, the server will run on localhost. Open your browser and go to that URL, and you should see the default Next.js welcome page. You can start creating new pages in the app folder. For example, create a new file about .js inside the app directory to create an about page.